Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPad enthusiast, the Apple Pencil is an absolute must-have for 2025, offering seamless creativity and productivity boosts. Whether you're sketching ideas, taking notes, or editing photos, this tool has evolved with new features that make it even more intuitive. Let's dive right in and explore how to get the most out of it. First, unbox your Apple Pencil and pair it with your iPad. For the latest 2025 models, simply attach it magnetically to the side of your iPad for automatic charging and connection. Head to your Settings app, tap Bluetooth, and select your pencil from the list. Once paired, you're ready to go. Now, let's talk basics. Open the Notes app and tap the pencil icon to start drawing. The Apple Pencil's pressure sensitivity means the harder you press, the bolder your lines get, perfect for detailed artwork. You'll also love the tilt feature, which simulates real brushes for shading and texture. For more advanced use, explore apps like Procreate or GoodNotes. In Procreate, you can use Hover Precision, a 2025 update, to preview your strokes before they hit the screen, reducing mistakes and boosting accuracy. If you're into note-taking, enable Scribble in Settings. It converts your handwriting to text in real time, making annotations a breeze. One handy tip: keep your pencil charged and clean the tip regularly to maintain performance. It's also wireless now, so no more fumbling with cables. There you have it. Using the Apple Pencil on your iPad in 2025 is easier and more powerful than ever. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.